Getting a flat tire can be stressful, but changing it doesn't have to be. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a flat tire in 11 easy steps. And I promise, by the end of this video, you will feel confident that you can change your own flat tire. So before we get into the step-by-step instructions, let's take a look at what you're going to need. First is a spare tire. Make sure it is properly inflated. You can check the pressure by looking at the sticker on your driver's side door. You should also have a jack and a lug wrench, also known as a tire iron. It is also a good idea to have your vehicle owner's manual with you, just in case there is any special instructions or procedures for your vehicle. And finally, wheel wedges or bricks to place behind the tire on the opposite side of the flat tire to keep it from rolling. If it's dark outside, you may also want to have a flashlight. Alright, now that we have everything we need, let's get started. The first step is to pull over safely. You're going to want to move to a flat, stable, and safe location, one that's away from traffic. Once you've found a safe spot, turn on your hazard lights, apply the parking brake, and if you have wheel wedges, get out and place them behind the tire on the opposite side of the flat tire. If you don't have any wheel wedges, you can use bricks. Now it's time to get out and get to work. Open up your trunk or storage area and take out the spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench. Now we're going to loosen the lug nuts, but we're not going to remove them just yet. Use the lug wrench to turn each nut counterclockwise. Just break the resistance. You don't want to fully remove them just yet. Next, we're going to position the jack. You may want to check your owner's manual to see where the jack point is for your vehicle. Basically, it's a reinforced area of the vehicle frame that's specifically designed to be lifted. Place the jack under the frame near the flat tire and start raising the car. You are going to want to raise the car high enough so that the flat tire is about 6 inches off the ground. Now we can remove the lug nuts. Now that the car is up, go back to the flat tire and unscrew and remove the lug nuts. Be careful when removing the flat tire. Pull the tire straight off. Lay the tire flat so it doesn't roll around. It's time to mount the spare tire. Line up the holes on the spare tire with the wheel bolts and push the spare tire on as far as it will go. Now we're going to hand tighten the lug nuts. Put the nuts back on by hand. You don't want to use the wrench yet, just get them snug. Next, we're going to lower the vehicle. Slowly lower the car with the jack until the spare tire touches the ground. Don't put the full weight on it just yet. Now we can tighten the lug nuts. Use the wrench to fully tighten each nut. You're going to want to use a star pattern. Tighten one nut, then the opposite nut, and repeat until all the nuts are tight. Next, we're going to lower the car all the way down. Lower the jack all the way down and remove the jack. Now we can double check the lug nuts to make sure they're tight. Now it's time to clean up. Put the tools and the flat tire in your trunk. Then drive to a tire shop as soon as possible. Donuts are only temporary. Make sure not exceed speed more than 60 kilometers per hour. And congratulations, you changed your flat tire. Hopefully this video helped you feel more confident that you can change your flat tire. Share this video with your friends so they would know how to change a flat tire. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please leave us a like and comment below to help others find this video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.